Hey guys, AJ Catanzaro here from the Moto Academy. We're at Moto Academy Summer Camp, and you know what that means? That means I ride every single bike under the sun, and I get to try all different parts. And today we're experiencing a bunch of different bar bends. And my advice to you in this video is go to MotoSport.com and experiment. You don't know what you like as far as bar bend goes until you try something different. On this bike, we have the ProTaper. I've ridden with ProTaper bars probably half of my pro career, to be quite honest. I've ridden this bike a little bit yesterday or the day before. It's a nice straight sweep, which I think is good. You don't want to go too much swept back, old school RC style, and you don't want to be riding an ape hanger either, which is almost kind of like McGrath style from back in the day, or a Wyndham style, maybe pretty high bar. But you don't know until you try it. A bar is something that you can get for not that much money, and I tell people when they buy bikes, good seat cover, good foot pegs, good suspension, although that's a high ticket item, and find the bars that fit you. Because once you do that, your riding experience is going to continue to level up. And I've had extremely good luck with ProTapers in the past. This bike has the Suzuki bend, and in the past I spent a lot of time on the RC bend as well. So those would be my two preference. But again, you don't know until you try. RC bend, Suzuki bend, start with those, go to MotoSport.com, report back, let me know what you think.